Want to level up your emails with a professional signature? Here's how to add or customize your Outlook signature, including a fast shortcut with ready-made templates. Start by opening Outlook, click on View, then go to View Settings. From there, select Account and click on Signatures. Here you can create a new signature and customize it manually. Change fonts, add your title, contact info, even a logo if you want. But if you don't have time, go to the Microsoft official signature template site. I've linked it for you in the bio. Choose a design you like, click Customize in Word, make your edits. Then just copy the signature, go back to Outlook, paste it in the signature box, click Save, and boom! You've got a clean, custom signature ready to use. Like this quick tutorial? Hit subscribe, like the video, and let me know what other Outlook tricks you want next.